Here's POV app, and then I'm just trying to create an account and see how it works. It's a shared camera for you and your friends. It's perfect for nights out, parties, trips, and more. Nobody else has to download the app. POV generates magic link that you can send to friends. Each person can take limited number of shots. Like for example, you can just see here. And then you can decide how long the camera is active. And then error photos are revealed when the camera ends. And then you just have all the different kind of photos for the same event. Like you just do that and then share the link, and then people just take kind of photos of same event from different angles, and it's kind of quite cool. So yeah, that's what you can do. You can also create a camera, so instant POV camera, so camera duration, and then share magic link, or like this is the magic link which you can just share to your friends. This is how it looks like. And then yeah, you can also just start the camera yourself. You need just to give access to camera, and then you also have 15 shots remaining, 8 hours left, and then here you just take the photo. Okay, this is just a photo of my laptop and table. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then a number of guests, up to 10 participants when it's ending, where you can reveal photos. Well, you have filters, and then yeah, if you can just delete it or anything. So yeah, that's basically the idea. I mean, it's pretty cool feature. It can become like a social media app as well. But yeah, try it out. I haven't tried it before. At a lot of parties and events, people sometimes using this either like physical kind of cheap disposable cameras. They kind of Polaroids where you just take photos and then you need to reveal them. Or there are apps like Labs, like Dispo app right there, like where you can just take photos like that. So yeah, and then but I haven't used and heard about this app, so just bringing your attention. So if you're at some kind of party and you just want to geek out with your friends, give it a try.